Why do 90% of people think philosophy is just abstract nonsense? Let's set the record straight. Philosophy isn't just for ivory towers and dusty bookshelves. It's the love of wisdom, the quest to understand life's biggest questions. Who are we? Why are we here? What's the meaning of it all? Philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle laid the groundwork. Socrates said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." Plato explored ideas about reality. Aristotle? He gave us logic and ethics. But philosophy isn't stuck in the past. Today, it helps us tackle modern dilemmas. Ethics in technology, the nature of consciousness, and even what a good life looks like. So next time someone says philosophy is useless, remind them it's about seeking truth and understanding our world. It's the ultimate mental workout. Curious? Keep questioning, keep exploring. That's the spirit of philosophy. Like and subscribe for more wisdom bites.